Hello guys, welcome back. Before going to create tables, we need to know that uh, there are some commands for manipulating data, for writing queries, and some for definition writing. There are several commands in SQL, right? So in this video, I'm going to explain the basic uh, types of commands, or main important types of commands in SQL. So those are we use forward slash and asterisk for writing comments in SQL Server. So types of SQL commands. Yeah, first one is data definition language. Data yeah, data definition language. In data definition language, we have uh, we have commands like creating tables and creating indexes, creating views, and remaining stuff, which we are going to discuss in further videos, right? And altering tables and remaining stuff. And here creating alters tables and views and indexes, right? This is about data definition language. And here comes the second one, right? Data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. In this, we are going to see how to manipulate the data. For example, in our daily life or in our in general English language, so you all you know very perfect. Yeah, in the English, we use several type of words like insert, delete, and many more. Right. So the way and here the basic uh, manipulation commands are insert. It is used to insert values into the table. Okay, and next one is delete and many more, right? Many more. So which and these all are we are going to see in our further videos. Okay, and third one is about data control language, which controls data. For example, data language. Here we controls the uh, yeah, here we use grant or revoke statements to give access to the user. Here grant statement is used to give access to of tables and some and our stuff like tables and many more things to a user. And revoke statement is used to uh, revoke or regain the or remove his access from user, right? And okay, and next one is fourth one. This is more uh, data query language. In data query language, there is only one command, that is select command. Select command is used to select the records from the table. Okay, it's very simple. select command. That's it. So these are the types of commands in SQL, and we need to use asterisk and forward slash again to end the comment in SQL. Thank you.